Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce social anxiety in language learning with Tandem, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce social anxiety in language learning with Tandem, start by understanding your anxiety triggers. Identify specific situations that make you feel anxious while speaking. Create a comfortable learning environment where you feel safe to express yourself. Set realistic language learning goals to build confidence gradually. Begin with text-based interactions before transitioning to voice or video calls. Use Tandem's messaging feature to practice writing and get feedback. Choose topics you are passionate about to make conversations more enjoyable. Select a language partner who shares similar interests and goals. Communicate your anxiety to your partner for mutual understanding. Remember that errors are a natural part of the learning process. Practice breathing exercises before your conversations to calm nerves. Schedule regular practice sessions to create a routine. Celebrate small victories and progress to boost your self-esteem. Take breaks if you start feeling overwhelmed during interactions. Engage in role-playing exercises to prepare for real-life scenarios. Utilize Tandem's language exchange features that promote comfortable dialogues. Seek guidance from language tutors available on Tandem for structured practice. Reflect on your experiences after each session to identify improvements. Explore group discussions on Tandem to gradually increase social comfort. Embrace the diversity of language learners and appreciate different backgrounds. Stay positive and remind yourself that everyone faces challenges while learning. Remember, the goal is to communicate, not to achieve perfection. Keep practicing and be patient with yourself as you progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.